right, so my grandma just made hot chocolate.
Yeah.
And we're currently on color camp, so yippee! So
It just came out.
yeah. Steam. Steam, is it hot? No, it's cold.
Hey guys, so today is Saturday, December 9th, and we're playing our first volleyball tournament of the season.
Morning vlog! I just made us coffee. Sponsor please. Post. Okay, me.
We got the bag.
Yeah,
Hey vlog, we're here today. Day one.
I think it's because we're all eating right now. Hi vlog! I'm really excited right now. I'm kind of nervous, but I'm really excited right now, and this is so good.
Oi, gente. Só quem vai entender, quem entende. Beijinhos. There ain't no way. What?
Warming up!
Double trouble.
Hi vlog! Ending the day off, won 2 games, lost 1. Yep. But we got it! We got it! And it's all thanks to Martina because she let me use her towel! Shout out Martina! We won! Oh wait, Carly, what time is it?
We actually got out a lot earlier than I thought. Welcome to a night in Miami.
8:49. Dinner was a 10 out of 10.
4.
¿Y quién está atrás? Ale así.
Oh my god.
Oh, esa parece un extraterrestre.
Ay, qué mala. Show your mother.
Espérate. Ah, no. Y la favorita mía.
Yo y él.
No way. This one isn't too bad, but that.
Vlog, today was a well-fought day. We just had dinner. I think they just rated dinner. 10 out of 10.
Me gustó un postre que hizo la amiga para
We love her grandma.
Por eso que yo le digo.
Eran unos vasos.
Good night.
Good morning.
What's up, vlog? Welcome to Maria Cam. Okay, so right now I'm walking to the convention center. We're supposed to meet there at 9:30. We're supposed to meet there at 9:30. It's currently 9 a.m. So I'm walking there, and my hotel is right here, and the convention center is right here. So it's less than a 5-minute walk. I'm really excited for today, you guys. I have a good feeling, and I also really like playing with the white jerseys. There's no explanation for it. I just really like playing with the white jerseys. And yeah, I'm not really sure how many games we have to play today. I guess it depends on how many we win. But yeah, I have a lot of trust in my team, and I believe that we will win because I feel like it's something we can do. We proved that yesterday, and I'm really excited. I'll see See you guys later.
Starbucks. Just chug
Every sipper needs a chugger.
I'm not even
I
that
live
much
by
of a
that.
sipper.
Huh?
I literally drink my Starbucks so fast, but not that fast. Holy cow. We late.
Hi vlog. Hi vlog. Day 2. We back and better. Hi vlog. What's up?
Oi, gente, tudo bem com vocês?
What she said. Bitch. Hi vlog.
Say bye.
Oh bye.
Bye, guys.
Okay guys, we are out the beach. Tournament went pretty good. Could have done better, but it's whatever. We played good for the first tournament. Anyways, that's the end of the video. I'll see you later. Bye.